Malapit si Mayor.
Esteemed guests, administrators, faculty, parents, and cherished students, today marks a momentous occasion as we gather for the groundbreaking ceremony of the new building at KRU. As the president of the CEPIVET PTA, I am profoundly moved by the vision of commitment that have brought us to this juncture. This upcoming building is more than just bricks and mortar. It is a promise of nurturing a second home for our children where they will thrive academically, socially, and emotionally. Our PTA is grateful for the collaborative efforts that have made this dream a reality. We look forward to witnessing the growth and development of our children in this new environment, fostering a sense of community and creating memories that will last a lifetime. Thank you to everyone who has played a role in shaping this future for your children at KRU. Together, let us embrace this exciting chapter in their educational journey.